Wait, it's mine and it says what?
It says yours forever.
Aw. And you said you're going to read it to me again? Okay, read it to me one more time.
Okay.
Read it where I can hear you, though.
Okay, I'm going to read right here.
Okay. Okay.
Jesus wished for a donkey for his birthday.
Okay.
And Sunday morning he woke up from his nap. Sunday morning he just woke up. Sunday morning Jesus came alive.
Ooh.
Jesus loved everyone from the Jesus. Everyone when he puppet
I can't hear you.
We have to do everything we know.
And that's for me? Aw.
I'll hold it for you.
You'll hold it for me? Okay. You're so sweet. Are you sweet?
Hey, you're watching me. There's a puppet for you. Hey, she's watching me.
Can you see yourself?
Yeah, I can. You know, Lottie, I can't see myself. Can't see myself. I'll take a picture with her.
Okay.
Oh, McDonald's had a fart. I got donkey.
I got the craziest kids ever in here, don't I?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
But she can't move.
I know. You're in timeout. What are you doing? In timeout?
Yeah.
Is she supposed to dance in timeout?
She's supposed to stand. Kaya? I want to see the crazy person. I want to see me. I want to see me. I'm a crazy donkey with a bow.
You're a crazy donkey with a bow.